everyone. Good evening to all of you. I'm Anushka. Today we have debate class and our topic is online shopping versus offline shopping and my team is in the favor of online shopping.
Hello everyone, I'm Fatima and my team is in the favor of offline shopping. So I think offline shopping is way better than online shopping because sometimes some brands and apps send us wrong product and sometimes it takes too long to deliver us.
So they give a option to change the products and give your money and you can cancel also.
The process is so long and frustrating for the customers.
So you can give the application of your my products is delayed on application on website so they answer your questions and give your products to you.
But local app type also facility in a good app not better.
So why you purchasing your material to local apps?
Because I can wait, but some people can't wait. Everyone can't afford from good websites. Everyone can't afford from good websites. That's it. They are expensive.
But Amazon and Flipkart, this website not expensive, so you can purchase it from. And they also give you opportunities to exchange your products. And if your product is delayed, so you give applications and on apps website, and they replied you and give your products soon.
On these apps, some products are very expensive. As you said that Flipkart, Myntra and all. On Flipkart and Myntra, some products are very expensive for those people who can't afford it.
The quality of the product is so good, so you can afford it. When you can afford the expensive things, you can see that the products is very good quality.
But in offline shopping, we can bargaining. But offline, how can we bargain? And in offline shopping, we can feel the fabric and we can check the size. But how in offline shop, in online shopping?
But there are some online platform where we can bargaining.
No. Products details available in online shopping. Then you purchase the product. Yes, they give us every details, but sometimes they give us a wrong size, wrong color, and sometimes our product is dirty.
So you can exchange your product and give a right size of your clothes, everything which you want.
Online shopping mostly involves complicated return process and lengthy return process also, which can be frustrating for the customers. So you have cancel your product. Show which day have give your product delivery. So you can't wait. So you have cancel this product. But sometimes you want the product at on that particular time, so you don't have that enough time to wait for the product that how they delivered and it is like it comes in a good quality or not. So it's can and in offline shopping no need to worry about delivery time or damaged products. Offline shopping means you get means what you want.
But in offline shopping you have to waste your money in transport and waste your time in traffic.
Online shopping also takes a delivery charges, services charges and all.
But in festivals on summer sales, so you don't have to charge the delivery charge.
But it's time like offline. Some offline shops are also provide discount and all, and we can easily buy.
But in offline shopping on festivals, a very crowd and noisy place, and the salesmen forced to purchase things on
Your choice. They don't force. They just like product. They don't force you.
I see some salesmen force sale people to purchase it and they don't rush their decision properly. Or in online shopping they don't have any noise and any rush in there, so they decided their decision very neatly.
Shopping we can purchase in at home, but it's a become a person lazy. People can't go to outside.
If you want to go outside, so you can go on walk and
Sorry.
if you want to,
Offline shopping, it's also affects some people businesses, those people who have small businesses and they don't have that enough money to start an online business and all, and they don't have that, they are not that much educated, they would know about the online shoppings and all. So offline shopping can also promotes the small businesses also.
in online shopping you can also, if you don't have money, there is some many websites, those are free to make websites for the customers, and I can also use the shop, like I can also use the websites who can pay for make websites.
But what about those people who don't have that much knowledge and they are not that educated? Those are very small business, like on very
So they
cart,
can-
they put a cart or a street on the road street side. They can't start an online business.
If you know about the Seekho app, there is there is so many apps.
I'm saying that what about those people who don't have that knowledge?
They don't know.
How would they know about it? How would they know about it? Yeah, those are not.
Some web designers make a Seekho app for those people who is illiterate, but you can afford. It's in Seekho app there is so come charges. There is so low charges in the Seekho app, so you can be got the education from there, and now can you make your own websites, and you can in totally free for like those people, those are not illiterate and don't, and those people who have don't much money for make their websites.
What if they don't know how to use phone? And what if they don't have phone? What about this?
We live in 2025.
You live in 2025. They born in 90s. They know how to.
But in this generation, all the people know how to use phone, and they
But
also
it's
have
all
the
about
phones.
how to call people and scroll reels.
So these are those people's mistake who always scrolling the reels
But
on wasting
in
of the
this
time
time,
on
as you said,
Instagram.
in 2025, 21st century, so there are also so many people who are very poor. They don't have enough money to buy a touch mobile and all. There are also some people who lives in a street light and they did a very little small business, like on street lights and all.
If you see the street people's income, there is the more income than the worker of office people's.
Whatever they earn, they waste half of their money on products.
But they also have half of money.
Yeah, if it's 30,000, so it's 15,000 profit. Or
It's not less.
yeah, it is. You know how to spend money?
Yes.
What if they earn, for example, they earn 30,000 and they spend like 10,000 on their products, minimum, very minimum. So in 20,000, they also have their financial problems, their food, they spend on their like foods and all, and they also have childrens to they have to spend on their education, and there are like and they have many like expensive like basic needs there are, and mostly things are, for example, they earn 30,000 and they spend on their products 10,000 very minimum, so they also have some their personal financial expenses like on food, on education and all.
See, those people's children are studying in government schools, or the government schools are totally free for those children who can't afford the high paid schools.
But what if some poor parents want their children to study in a good school, like private school, and I agree that some like poor pupils children study in government school, so they also like they also go to the tuitions and all, so it's charge for it, like their classes and all.
You can say they purchase the tuitions for their children, but you can see that the tuitions are also in online in this time. Offline shopping stores have fixed timing. They don't open on late night, and if it's a holiday or late night, you can't shop.
But in online shopping, if as you said that in offline shopping they don't have that, they don't open their shop as longer, so in online shopping if you order something they also take a long time for deliver the product.
No, do you use Blinkit?
They don't provide our clothes and all.
But they
She is talking about
So you need clothes at midnight.
Oh sorry, you're talking about grocery and all. So
Yeah.
there are some like 24/7 stores. Have you listened
In
about?
offline,
Yeah, in offline. Have you listened about the 24/7 stores?
I listen, but in this area don't have.
Yes, you shop in a 1 hour.
Yes.
So you are in your home. If you are talking about grocery in your home, groceries is always available. You don't need grocery at the midnight.
If you have craving on midnight, for example, ice cream, chocolate,
That's not the basic
noodles,
need. That's
so
not
you
the basic
can-
need. If you are that much foodie, so you can buy it from the grocery store before it. And first
If
of
the
all,
groceries-
it's not a basic need. It's just like for your enjoying and your. It's just for control your craving and all.
If you say you are late night, those people who work late night and this job shift is the night, so they purchase Blinkits. And
They can also use some grocery stores before at the night. It's not necessary that they have craving at the middle of night.
Pregnant lady have craving in midnight, so she can't control her craving, so she's shop the midnight and from Blinkit,
and they give products in 15 minutes.
and they give products in 15 minutes. All people can't control her cravings. Should be her husband should be responsible. Her husband should be responsible about her. She's pregnant. Come on. Midnight can't shop. He forgot you want to say
Husbands are also busy in their jobs and they always not be available for
But if
those
her
women.
family is here for you. Her family. But if she's in that. Please change the topic. Why are you talking about pregnant lady?
I'll give example.
Sometimes you can see in online shopping there is a mention no information at all, but sometimes information
There is no one
sometimes
website who don't give their information about the product.
yeah, sometimes they provide details also, but we can shop we can some खरीदते कुछ और आता कुछ और size is wrong, color is wrong.
You can exchange it.
Yes, but exchange process is very long. People can't wait.
This is not the solution of the problem.
But local app Meesho also product details show all details available. You have see your ad. Yes, I also open the app and see products details also available in website also. Yes,
In
I
all
also
website, for example, no customer review. In offline shopping, there no customer review. In online shopping, there every product have customer review and photos.
In offline shopping you don't need for the review because you can see the product by your own. If you can touch it, you can try it.
If I purchase a t-shirt,
yeah.
and I don't know about the t-shirt color, and I think the t-shirt color is faded, but I don't.
We don't know about the like, color faded or not. But when we wash it and it's like it's left the color.
So we change the product.
In offline shopping, we can also return the product.
Change and complain the product.
After trying it, after washing it, after open it, you can't change.
But when you gave the complaint in the on their application app, you can they give your refund back.
In offline shopping, they give the guarantee of the product, but in online shopping, they don't give. And if you give the like
Change.
if you complained about the product in online shopping, so if you open the packaging, they don't return it.
If you don't return, if the packet is open and you don't return, so how can you say that कि when the clothes or color is changed, so you can
I said after, as you said, that color is fade sometimes. In like she's talking about a T-shirt. So in online shopping, we ordered a T-shirt and its color is fade after washing it. So we can't change it.
you can complain on the app's application and they give you the refund. And if the app if the app CEO not refund you the what, they don't refund the
In
product.
this time, nobody have that much longer time for just one T-shirt. That they have to complain, talk about the CEO and all. No one have that much time for just for a one T-shirt and all.
If the complaint if you complain, your answer is give you in a 1 day and they give you your refund.
Sometimes they don't. It happens with me. Sometimes they don't, and every time also.
Which app? कौन सा app से?
Every app. And when we exchange or return, so they give money in our bank, but sometimes people don't use the bank. So how they?
How can you say that not at all that people don't use their bank?
Okay, they use their banks, but what if there is an emergency and they need cash? They don't have like that time to go to the bank and take the cash.
You can go to the Paytm.
Some people don't have in their phone. And
If you have a phone, you also have an internet. So you can
cash.
download the Paytm and login the Paytm and you can.
It's not an easy process to download and all. It's not an easy
such
process.
an easy process. Not that it's
But
an
what if you need a
people
cash?
also can
What
do
if you
this.
need a cash?
If you need a cash, you
Their
can
online
go to
payment
the
can't work. There is a situation where online payment sometimes can't work. So you need the cash.
अरे उसे क्या बोलते हैं यहाँ पे जाते हैं ATM. If so you can go to the ATM if you need a cash.
But you don't have that enough time. It's an emergency situation. So how can you go to the ATM and then take the cash?
ATM is
You
not
immediately need the cash. So you don't have, and it's not necessary that you're nearby there's a ATM.
if you have a phone and there is too much cafes in the areas, so you can also Paytm to them and they will cash you.
But sometimes some people don't use.
Yeah.
Some people don't use Paytm online. And it's process for an educated person, not a